We think she was compromised in Russia.
Why would we give it a go? I didn't even know.
I think I just answered my own question to get her to incriminate herself, right?
Right. But how come I was pushing so hard for America? You need eyes and ears on her the whole time. What about a butt?
Never got it.
Any chance you slip one in her purse?
Carrie's purse?
Yeah.
She didn't like it.
Not buying the friendship routine.
No, she is. We're just not braiding each other's hair yet.